Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today let's have a look at the all new Leaf Buds 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones. Comparing to the older version, the packaging seems to be normal this time. The Leaf branding on the front, highly focused on high bass. On the back, we have the specifications displayed. I mean, who reads it? On the left side of the box, we have some key feature mentions. That is, sports friendly, ergonomic comfort, hands-free mic, stereo sound, 15 hours of backup, leather cushion and headband. It's been a lot of talk on the box now. Let's unbox it. Opening the box, we have a direct access to the headphones itself, and we have accessories behind it. Getting a look into the accessories, we have some documentations, warranty support, and a user manual. We have an aux cable provided in the box, which is definitely not a good quality when compared to the excellent aux cable provided with the Leaf Headphones 1. We have the micro USB cable to charge the headphones, and they are good and has been designed as per its exact work and usage. Let's have a look at the headphones now. We have a nice matte over the headphones and glossy finish at the side of the headphones. Buttons on the right. The buttons are made out of plastic and have good amount of feedback when pressed, but with some cranky sound. Although the buttons are easily accessible and that can be operated without any issues. We have all the IOs on the bottom of the right side. We have charging port, aux port as well as mic port on the right side. We have Leaf branding on top of the headphones, which is in white on black matte cushion. Talking about the cushion inside the headphones, it's soft in material and feels comfortable at least for 2 to 3 hours of usage. We have a cloth material specifying the right and the left side of the headphones. Checking the flexibility, it is pretty good in the build quality segment. The headphones widen so much that it can handle any size of head on this planet except Hulk. On the side, we have nice looking Leaf branding which is in glossy finish, which makes it look more premium. As we have the Leaf branding on top, which has been printed over the cushion, seems promising of not fading it away real soon. The stitching looks strong with smoothened edges and won't get damaged in rough conditions. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Leaf has seriously improved their sound quality as compared from earlier variant. The sound quality from Bluetooth is very good. As mentioned, the bass is good as well. The treble seems to be too high at some point, but that's okay if you are a 70% listener. The sound stays perfect and doesn't distort in full volume. Although you get more better experience when you are connected with the aux. The bass gets pumped up and the sound quality too. The battery here seems to be on the stronger side. On the box, the brand mentions 15 hours of playback on a single charge, but I was able to get it from 11 to 12 hours on 70 to 90% of sound. But this might depend on your usage. Although there are a lot of competitors in this price segment, you can definitely get this for music and gaming. That's all for this video guys, I hope you'll like it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more and more videos. This is me Abhishek signing off. Bye bye now.